And welcome back mga ka-friendships. So grabe na ila-ila na jud nato si Carol Ann. Ato sang nakita kung unsa siya kapaspas. Di ba unsa siya ka-waiting ang answer sa atong mga questions ganina during sa Q&A portion with me of course. So karon I want to hear from Carol Ann. If you are given this chance to talk to yourself, what will you say?
I will tell myself thank you. Thank you for the hard work that you have invested, not only in the past months, but in the past years, because I know that you have delayed so much of your short-term gratifications. You have delayed your comfort because you knew that you were pursuing something much bigger and greater. And so thank you for putting in the work, because now you are harvesting and enjoying the fruits of your labor.
Murag makapaong gajod. So, she was talking about sacrifice,
Yes.
right? So, you really have to sacrifice. If you want to win something, if you want to get something bigger, you really need to sacrifice.
Yes.
Dapat sa imo sa ipadaplin sa ning mga butang,
Yes.
mga gratifications nimo no, imo sa lamang i-set aside because you are aiming for something bigger.
True.
So what are your takeaways from the recently concluded pageant?
Siguro the most important thing I've learned is that if you put your heart into what you're doing, it's almost a certainty that the universe will reward you. Because again, for me, my journey has truly been a labor of love. I was very hands-on. I made sure that everything I was putting out was true to myself. I wanted to be true to my heart. And so looking back, I realized that because I did everything with my heart and with my love, then it was just the universe affirming the hard work and the labor that I have been investing.
Sao naman yun? Okay, thank you very much. You have given very inspiring points. So this time I'd like to hear a message directly addressed to the girls out there who are dreaming to follow your footsteps.
So to the young girls, don't aspire to be like someone else. Embrace who you truly are, what you're truly passionate about, and whatever it is you want to pursue, even if it is not what society is expecting of you. Stay true to who you are. You don't need to conform to the standards, the expectations of societies. Simply embrace and enjoy the truth of your core, and then you will become a remarkable woman.
Dili basta-basta. Balik-balik ko dyan ang word nga dili basta-basta. Kaya tinuod mga dyan nga dili sa basta-basta. So to be a remarkable woman, you have to be yourself.
Yes.
You have to be authentic to who you
Yes.
are. You should not be too mindful of what the people around you will say to you. Diba? Dili ka magpadikta, dili ka magpasulsol kung sa ilang gusto. You have to be yourself.
Yes. Kaya nasa ko can I share something?
Yes.
Because of the recent win, dagan jud kay ko na-receive the messages. Young girl is telling me na ate, kanang, I wanna be like you, but more lisod man, so bit na lang, like something like that. And I wanna tell them na you don't have to be like me. I'm not the standard. Just be who you are, and you don't have to compare yourself to other people, to other women, because in embracing who you truly are, that is how you truly manifest your true self.
Okay, very well said. So, they can actually carve their own names, di ba? Pwede ra jud nila nga maghimo sila sa ilang kaugalingongan. They don't need to follow you. Right? Kaya kung magsige kag compare, magsige ra kag ka-frustrate. Kaya mo magkuan na niya. So, magsige ka frustrate. So, better capitalize on what you have. Capitalize on what you have, then improve, and then manifest all the things that you want. Well, the universe, diba? The universe will just hand those things to you if you work hard, of course.
Yes.
You put hard work on it. Okay, so this time, your message to the people of Tomas Opus and to all your fans around the globe.
To the people of Tomas Opus, I really have felt your support throughout the entire competition. They have been very protective of me. So thank you for the strength, the courage that you have put in me, which I know allowed me to win the crown. And to everyone out there who are not from Tomas Opus, who are also supporting me, daghan kayong salamat. I feel very grateful. Sometimes I feel undeserving of the love and support, but because you have faith in me, I truly am able to be the best version of myself. So thank you.
Very well said from our very own Miss Southern Leyte 2024. So before I end this interview with you, allow me first to say thank you so much for saying yes to my invitation and of course for welcoming us to your house, their humble abode. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I will really treasure this to be talking with you and to be this close to you. So thank you very much.
It's my pleasure. And thank you also, sir. Thank you to the team who came here. Layo pa jud sila and travel sila all the way here. I feel very grateful that you really have put in effort to make this memorable. So
thank you very much. So can you say goodbye to my ka-friendships? My followers are ka-friendships.
So, so goodbye mga ka-friendships.
Okay, thank you very much.